So guys, my husband has been telling me he doesn't eat okra. He does not eat okra.
I don't.
But see him here with my pot of okra soup. Eh?
I bet it's too delicious.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, and from the title and thumbnail of this video you already know what we're gonna be doing today. So let's get to it. So first off, what you're gonna do is, put your pot on fire and let it dry, like let all the water dry out. Then you now put your palm oil. For this okra recipe, you can make use of palm oil or groundnut oil, but I actually prefer palm oil. So you put your palm oil, and when it's hot, you add your salt, not too much. Then you put your okra, you put your onions. I love onions in this my okra. Like, I don't eat any particular okra soup other than this okra. So it's a very different kind of okra. This is the only okra I eat. So you stir your onions and let it just saute for a while. And after that, you add your fresh tomatoes. You chop your fresh tomatoes and add it. I'm sorry I did not show you guys the ingredients. I'm just gonna be listing what you're gonna need in the description box, so do well to check it out. So you then fry your fresh tomatoes and let it just fry for a while until it's properly cooked. You don't want to be chewing fresh tomatoes in the soup. You just want it to be well fried. So you fry it for a while. I actually cut off some part of these videos, so it won't be so long, but you fry it very well. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please guys, don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. You're not in Nigeria if you don't clap your hand inside soup. You must clap your hand inside the soup. So as you're frying your tomatoes, you add your seasoning. Like I said earlier on, don't add too much because you're going to be adding the meat stock or fish stock, whichever protein you decide to use. You're going to add the stock later on. So don't add too much seasoning. Don't add too much salt. So when the tomatoes have fried to your taste, you then go in with your freshly chopped okra. And there you have it. You go in with your okra and just mix everything together. Let it just marry together with the tomatoes and the onions. Let everything just marry. Let them just marry themselves and born children there. So just mix it until to your desired mixation. So just mix everything together, guys. So guys, a disclaimer here, this channel is not a food channel, please. So you will not be telling me they don't do this, they don't do that. I'm just trying to share one recipe that I love with you guys. It's Christmas season. Yes, you're allowed to experiment with food, have varieties, and taste different kinds of delicacies. So I'm just trying to give you one recipe you can try out. It mustn't be on Christmas Day, but you can try it out for your family and you would definitely love it. In fact, licking of pot is guaranteed. So just like the tomatoes, you allow the okra to fry a bit to your desired taste. Everything is to your desired taste. If you like it over fried, if you like it under fried, if you like it crunchy, just fry it to your taste. So I love it well cooked, so that's why I fry it for an average amount of time. So you allow it to fry for a while, and then you go in with your meat stock or fish stock. But this recipe is really delicious with catfish. Catfish is like the main protein here. So you're going with your catfish stock, and I had a little bit of goat meat in the house, so I'll also add a little bit of goat meat stock. But if you don't have goat meat or beef or anything, catfish alone, like the food is already faithful. So guys, you're now going with your fish or meat stock, and then, as an Akwa Ibom mite like I am, you know we love periwinkle. There is no food that we cook without periwinkle, so we see plenty and plenty periwinkles inside here. So you go in with your periwinkles. If you eat that, if you don't eat it, you can skip this. After the periwinkle, you go in with your crayfish. I'm using a very small goat meat because, like, that is not the main protein of this soup. It's not the main protein. The main... Now watch this one. So guys, next you go in with your fish. After you know the soup has boiled enough, you go in with your catfish. But if you don't like your catfish, if you don't want your catfish to really scatter, I'd rather you go in with your uziza leaf before you add the fish, because you would see later in this soup, you know, when when I was turning the uziza leaf after I've added it, some of the fish scattered. And you know, catfish, if you eat catfish, you know get strength. Like, before you know, in fact, the first day you go chop food, you go see fish. Second day, fish see small. The third day, be like saying a person come out all the fish chop. You won't see the fish inside the soup again. So if you don't want your fish to scatter, add the fish last. So, but I think the day when I was cooking these, I forgot that I was adding uziza. Was after, because when I'm cooking this okra, I really do not like plenty leaf inside. I just want to see it bare like this. But adding uziza gives it another flavor, and it's actually nice because I don't put plenty. So you see, add your fish so it can soak inside the goodness of the soup. Like, everything can just marry together and it can be giving what it's supposed to be giving. And next you go in with your uziza leaf. Like I said earlier on, if you don't want the fish to cut, put the uziza and put the fish lastly. And voila, your soup is done and ready to be devoured. Like, ready to be consumed. So guys, thank you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching this video. This is Vlogmas day 16. And oh my God, I just wanted to share you guys one beautiful recipe that I usually love. I love. And I hope you love it. If you recreate this video, if you recreate this soup, kindly tag me on Instagram, tag me on YouTube, on wherever. Just tag me. The links to my WhatsApp, my Instagram, my Facebook are all in my bio. So just tag me, guys. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for the love. I really do appreciate you all. See you all in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye bye. So guys, my husband has been telling me he doesn't eat okra. He does not eat okra.
I don't.
But see him here with my pot of okra soup. Eh?
I bet it's not okra. This one is azusa with tomato. I can't feel okra, sorry.
You cannot feel okra.
Because it's too delicious.
Thanks to my mom for teaching us how to cook fresh fish okra soup, with fresh catfish and, spice it up with tomatoes and everything. My husband will lick the pot. He's confessing now that he came back last night. What did you do?
I steal the soup. Small.
He stole the soup without my knowing. Meanwhile, me, I say, okay, my husband need to chop okra. I cook okra. Then me, I go chop. Now, see him. Now he carry pot.
He passed boundary.
Navidad.